Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to give you a quick update on the my service appointment with Tesla Mobile. It was scheduled for 12 to 4 and the guy called me around 12:45 and he showed up within 15 minutes, and believe it or not, he showed up in a Tesla Model S, a red color, really nice, a new one too. And I put in the request that the lights that they replaced the last time still has condensations. However, the guy said, you know what, it's very normal. As long as it doesn't have water, they're not going to replace it. So he only replaced the one that they call the tail fog lights. And it's kind of painful to see them taking out all the clips, because and the guy was being honest. He said, man, this is my second time working on Tesla that's built by in Texas, because it's really hard. He ended up breaking one of the clip, and but he put a new one back on. It took him a total of about 45 minutes. All in all, it was it's kind of painful to see that how much force he used to unclip all of those, like the one on the trunk, But I was now, like, if I think about it, if it doesn't have water in there, I mean, I wouldn't do it again. I just, what, I'll live with the condensation, because I think after a couple of days it went away. But the only reason why I put it in is because it's a brand new car, 70,000, and and it was there. But now think about it, the way that he took all the things away, it's painful. But in the end, he put everything back and it's working now. Hopefully with the new one that he installed, I'm not going to be seeing any water condensations in there. But I'll show you like some pictures at the end of the video so you guys can see it. And that's pretty much it. So, oh yeah, one more thing. Like I talked to the tech, and he confirmed with me that the Tesla service center in Pomona or Walnut, the lease is up, so they're actually going to be moving to West Covina on the 10 freeway. So I don't know how soon that's going to be, but for those of you or us who's live in the nearby area, like by Ballin Park, West Covina, right there, we're gonna have a Tesla service center right there. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave in a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.